What is up, guys? So today I thought I would try something that I've seen on the internet, and also one of my subscribers suggested is to get some better exhaust sound. So what I'm thinking of doing, since I don't have an external recorder, is taking my second camera, which I don't actually use that much, to be honest. I used it for my third person rig, but I mean, I just swapped the main camera out anyway. So what I'm going to do is this is going to act as my second recorder, and what I saw on the internet was basically you take two dishwashing sponges and you put your mic in the middle like that, and you just tape it up, and that muffles out a lot of wind noise and any other noise that you may have, and it gets a really good exhaust note. So what I'm thinking of doing is doing this and then putting it under my removable seat cowl at the back, and then shoving the camera in there so that when I go for a ride I can have a nice exhaust note and not just wind noise from the main helmet cam. So I haven't actually done this before, so I'm assuming we're just going to put that there like that, and that's going to go there. I just cut the scouring part off of that brush, off the pads, and then let's take some tape. So that's going to go like that. I don't know how tight to make it. I only very vaguely remember seeing this mod, so I'm not entirely sure how it's supposed to work, but I think this is the general idea. So, second one, and that's going to go here. Like this. And that's that. So this camera is already set on the lowest mic setting as usual, because this drift mic is actually very sensitive. So that's going to go like that, and then this is going to go under the seat, and this is going to go pointing towards the exhaust. So let's go and put it in the bike. Okay, so I'm in my parking garage now talking to myself. So I'm just going to open the seat cowl. I hope this actually fits in here. I haven't tested this yet. So I want this. I wonder if I can put it like right at the back, like shove it in here. I don't know how well it's gonna work. And then the camera's gonna go on. Shit, I don't know if this is actually gonna work. I need to take this off. Let's take that off. So the camera's on. There we go. Perfect. So it's going to go in there. I don't know if that's going to fit there. I might have to go over there. So then that. I don't think that's going to work. Maybe. There we go. Okay, well, that worked better than expected. Oh, my bike's really dirty. So that is right by the exhaust. And so let's go for a ride and see what it sounds like. I'll check you guys. Anyway, so I'm out on the ride now, testing out the microphone setup. So I'm gonna go hit some twisty roads quick and see what it sounds like. Hopefully it's useful. Anyway, let me know what you think, and red lights, and yeah, check you later. Cheers. Holy shit, that was hard. Oh my word.